This is Naccour, and this is how to take care of your hair with shampoo and conditioner. You know, shampoo and conditioners have evolved so much throughout the decades, and what used to be considered taboo by washing your hair every single day is a lot better now. As a matter of fact, it is recommended, if you use the right shampoo and conditioner, to wash your hair every day because of the technologies and all the good nutrients and ingredients that are in the shampoo and conditioners. Using the right products though for your specific texture is going to be key. So shampoos are designed to cleanse your hair, so some scrubbing action is really important. You start at the roots, work yourself towards the ends. If you happen to skip a couple of days of shampoo in your hair, I would recommend using a cleansing shampoo and conditioner first, and then using your regular daily shampoo and conditioner. The cleansing shampoo and conditioner really removes all the buildup, all the natural oils throughout the days from your hair. It removes chlorine from your hair. It really purifies your hair, and then you can use the regular nutrient shampoo that is recommended by your stylist afterwards. Now, conditioners, they are more designed to detangle hair. So I always advise that you never really put your conditioner on your roots because it has a tendency to kind of weigh your hair down or get it oily or heavy. Try to keep it away 1 to 2 inches away from your roots and work it towards the ends. No scrubbing necessary with the conditioner because it is not designed for that. It will only tangle your hair. This is Naccour, and this is how to take care of your hair with shampoo and conditioner.